I'm Tiago, and probably it's time to present vendor and a little bit of the story that dates back to I think 2009. Um, so vendor is e-commerce platform simplified for small merchants to start selling online without all the hazards of payment gateways, catalog management, so on. And I founded this project with Philip. All started in software engineering class in Porto, where we come from. We took a master in software engineering and computer science. On the third, fourth year, we both went out. We lived in Germany, here, and also Budapest in Hungary. Philip in Hungary, me in Germany. And we've done a small internship of 6 months in Wipro. It's a big outsourcing company from India where we work first time with retail, but on a large scale. Later on, we continued working. We got out from Portugal and we went to UK. I went to work at Nokia Services, and Philippe went to work at the spatial agency, the European Spatial Agency. And this is where we spent the year working on these two companies, and it was the first time we started thinking about creating our own company. Since we were like mates from university, we always talked about creating our own startup, having a business. Maybe we just didn't know it was gonna start so soon. So in the end of our contracts, there was a possibility of continue working or just not renewing the contract. And around June 2008, if I'm not mistaken, we decided to give the big jump. And the first concept was because we had to build an online store for a small merchant, a single merchant. Now we have more than 2,000 in our system, but it all started with one, and we done the usual process. We downloaded the software, open source software package like OS Commerce or Magento, and we tried to customize it. Got a designer to do the template, burned some money with servers and a lot of time working, and it was really a big headache, like that. And we saw that there was a lot of problems that we, with our skills from computer science and software engineering, could try to solve. It just would take too much time, and it would be too risky for small merchants to go into e-commerce using this approach that is what they normally use. Around March 2009, we were still working on this outside Portugal, and we start analyzing the market, and we saw that there was a big opportunity, especially in fraction markets like Europe, where there's many languages, many different currencies, different carriers that do shipping for goods, and there was no market leader. Even now there's no e-commerce hosted solution that is like the market leader. The most famous ones now are like Shopify, but not even that reaches maybe 15% of the market. There's bigger ones that are old ones like Yahoo stores that have much more clients. So around this time we start looking into data, maybe trying to build a business out of this problem we are trying to solve. And we start doing a business plan to apply to an incubator in Portugal. In the beginning, they told us, it's not a good idea. You should keep your work and continue what you're doing. It's much safer. But anyway, around July, we went back to Portugal, and we said, look, we are here. We already hand out our business plan. You either take us or we do our stuff alone without any help. And they said, okay. So around September, we joined UPTEC, that stands for Parque de Ciência e Tecnologia da Universidade do Porto, where we stayed till coming to Startup Chile. That was around August, September 2010. And this is what you can see now in our homepage, vendor.com. Basically, it's a landing page where it tries to explain what we do. It's, as I said, it's for people that have no technical knowledge. Then we integrate with payment gateways. The software speaks various languages. Now we are adding German and Icelandic. I can tell you more of that later. You can also add your store to an existing blog or website. And there's like more 2 or 3 boxes that I don't remember what they say, but you can look it in. It's very easy to create an online store. You just need an email and a password, and you just select the name of your store, and it's done. Of course, then if you like it, you can pay more, and there's many other stuff inside the box. Yeah, this is what we are like. This is our biggest aims or our biggest selling features. So you can sell online by yourself. You can administrate your catalog. You can then market your products connecting to Facebook, or we have like SEO strategies that helps you out ranking in Google. You can also edit your templates. So if you want like a customized template like this, you can design it yourself or get someone to do it. This is another one that is here from Chile, that is Lassen bicycles. And besides this, we have another functionalities, like you can add your store domain. You have like kind of static pages where you can write your own blog or company information, statistics. You can connect to Google Analytics. This is the admin interface I was showing before, like the store front ends. You can see that we have the dashboard where you have the statistics, the first tab. Then this is like the product management. It's very simple. We try to make it as simple as possible. If our mothers cannot use it, it's not good. So then you have the static pages, you have languages, and you have all the configuration like Google Analytics tracker and so on. And this will be the next step. Like we have many customers, and we normally do features along the way. They will start asking us for these specific features. We say no, and then later on, when 10 people say that they need a specific feature, we implement them for everyone. Nowadays, we have most of the normal, let's say more usual features, but we need much more. So the next step will be connecting vendor to all different sort of systems. So an API is along the way. I hope this was under 15 minutes. Questions?